Hi, today we are going to talk about this upcoming semester and we welcome you to our class, which is English 9. I am Ms. Cano.
And I am Miss Dalton.
And I'm going to start off talking about myself, okay? So a little bit about me. I graduated high school in Georgia, then I graduated in Virginia and Danville from Averett with a bachelor's degree, and I've been teaching at Bassett for 3 years. Some of my hobbies are reading. I used to be in the band, and I like watching anime and playing video games.
And I am Miss Dalton. I am a specialist in the classroom. I will be here with Miss Cano for 3 blocks, and if you need assistance when you can't get in touch with her, feel free to contact me. I graduated from Virginia State University with a BS in Vocational and Industrial Education with a concentration in cosmetology. I also have my master's from the University of Virginia in Educational Leadership. This is my 26th year of teaching.
All right, now I'm going to give you a tour of the room, so that'll be right now. The next thing I want to talk to you about is a little bit about Canvas, which is the new platform we're going to be on this semester. It's completely virtual, so that helps us out because we're not going to be in the classroom. So I'm going to pull that up for you right now and just give you a quick tour. So within Canvas, when you log in, this is going to be your homepage. So the first thing you see is going to be this, all right? And you can see our picture here. It's just a picture, and then we have buttons on the bottom. You can also navigate from the left if you would like. Okay, but this just makes it a little bit easier. So from left to right, the buttons say meet your teachers, a little bit of bio about us, your syllabus, which I'm going to show you in a second, need to know, which are going to be announcements, modules where you'll actually find your assignments and your work, and then calendar with important dates, okay? So syllabus is the lavender button. When you click on it, you can see the course syllabus, and I do want you to take a minute first week to read over it. It talks about the schedule, the course description, policies, behavior, letter to parents, and some information at the bottom. Okay, so that's all in the syllabus. As far as Canvas, there are some other things we want to talk to you about.
Like, how often should you log into Canvas? You need to do this every day. Make sure you're checking your assignments and any announcements that may be made during the day.
Okay. Where should you do your work? This varies. I would suggest where you believe you won't be distracted. For example, if you like working in your bedroom, that's completely fine, but if you know you're laying on your bed, you're going to be tempted to take a nap, then I might not work in my bedroom, okay? Same thing in the living room. If you're working on the couch and there's the TV right there, you may get distracted or want to start watching TV. So wherever you think you work best, that's where you need to be, okay? Zoom expectations. So throughout the course, we will be meeting on Zoom to talk, and if you have any questions. So what are the expectations for that? So Zoom etiquette, if you want to start at the top, and I'll just do that.
Make sure you log in or dial in 5 minutes before the virtual classroom session begins. Be very respectful of yourself and others. Listen actively participate, complete and submit your assignments when they're due. Dress appropriately. We do not want to see you in your undergarments. Minimize background noise by turning off the TV and or the radio. Stay focused the whole time you're in the Zoom meeting, and mute your microphones until it's your turn to speak.
So some things that we don't want to hear, even though you're at home, I mean, we're still virtual, it's still a virtual classroom, so we don't want to see anything negative, any cursing or any, bullying other people's posts. So make sure that you're aware of your surroundings, and we'll talk about that too in the first week. Other basic information, Make sure you have our emails. You can contact us through Canvas. You will also be getting the Google Voice number and the Remind app. And we look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.
Bye.